Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. This week, I want to offer for your reflection some of the points that I'll be making in my presentation this week on the history of the Mass. Today, I want to say just a few words about one of the very, very early references to the Eucharist, and it comes from a book called the Didache, which was also called the Teaching of the 12 Apostles. It was originally a Jewish catechetical book, and then it evolved into a Christian instruction manual. So the first 6 chapters of the Didache only make reference to the Hebrew Scriptures. But from chapter 7 on, Jesus becomes the teacher and the authority in it. So notice as I read this selection how the Eucharist that is cited in the Didache bears some resemblance to the Eucharist as we know it today. Now, concerning the Thanksgiving Eucharist, thus giving thanks. First, concerning the cup. We thank you, our Father, for the holy vine of David, your servant, which you made known to us through Jesus, your servant. To you be the glory forever. And concerning the broken bread, we thank you, our Father, for the life and knowledge which you have made known to us through Jesus, your servant. To you be the glory forever. Even as this broken bread was scattered over the hills and was gathered together and became one, so let your church be gathered together from the ends of the earth into your kingdom. For yours is the glory and the power through Jesus Christ forever. But let no one eat or drink of your thanksgiving, your Eucharist, but they who have been baptized into the name of the Lord. For concerning this also the Lord has said, give not that which is holy to the dogs. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has piqued your interest a little bit in the history of the Mass, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.